WordPress is probably the most popular website and blogging management system in use today. The best example is to go to wordpress.com or any hosting site that supports WordPress. You can use various themes and plugins to make a beautiful website in no time. So today I'm going to show you how to make your very own WordPress server, and that too in a Pi Zero. WordPress is a free content management system based on PHP and MySQL that is installed on a web server. So we first need to set up a LAMP server. If you don't know how to set up a LAMP server, you can go through my earlier video from the link in the description below. The first step is to download WordPress from wordpress.org with wget. Then we need to decompress it and transfer all of its contents into the web server. But somehow it wasn't working for me. I then tried apt-get install WordPress just to try it, and it did download WordPress. But there was no documentation on how to get it working. I then located the downloaded and decompressed folder and copied the contents to the root directory of my web server. Now let's go to our web server's root directory and look into the contents of WordPress folder. There is a README HTML file which you can open in a browser. It is supposed to make installation easy, but I haven't done this way before, and I'm going to show you how I normally do it. Now set correct file permissions for the files in WordPress by the two command lines that appears on the screen. Now open MySQL with your root user ID and create a new user for WordPress. Then create a database for WordPress. Set adequate permissions to database for our user. Exit MySQL. Now again go to WordPress folder, remove the wp-config php file, and copy or rename the wp-config example php file to wp-config.php. Now edit this config file in a text editor. I am using VI. Change the database name and enter the username and password that you have created in the correct place and save the file. Our setup is now almost done. Now open WordPress in a browser, and in the page that opens, enter the data in the required fields. Our setup is now complete with a default website which we now can modify according to our taste. WordPress in Pi 0 was very slow and my Pi 2 was no better. If you liked my video and want to see my future videos, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.